Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you're looking for a great bracelet making string, you've got to check this one out.
This bracelet making string is by Paxcoo, and I have it here in the white color, and I am really happy with this. It comes in a spool, so it's super easy to unravel. I find this to be nice and stretchy. It has a great elastic to it. I have made a lot of friendship bracelets this year, and I've tried a bunch of different string and elastic to use for those bracelets, and I have to say I am really happy with this one, and I find this one to be particularly easy to work with. Super easy to slide the beads onto the string. That stretch is amazing. It has a lot of forgiveness, the stretch. Super easy to tie a knot when you're done making the bracelet, which that is always the trickiest part for me. And I just find that with that stretch, it has a really good strength. So I'm not as worried about these bracelets breaking on me, whereas I've had a lot of other bracelets break in the past. So I'm super happy with this. I think it's an amazing option. I've been able to make so many fun bracelets with it, and I can't wait to make more. But I think that this is a fantastic string.
But that's just my point of view.